Hi friends, now we shall discuss set operators. Set operators used to join the outputs of select statements based on the operator specified. Select statements must have equal number of columns and similar data type columns. Maximum 32 queries can be joined with set operators. There are four types of set operators. Number first, union all, output of query 1 plus output of query 2. Union, output of query 1 plus output of query 2, duplicate rows. Minus, operator of q1, output of q1 minus output of q2, rows unique to q1 will be retrieved. Intersect, output common to query 1 and query 2. Examples. Now let us try these examples in Oracle SQL environment. Let us type C. We will get the command prompt. Run as administrator. Say as. Maximize the screen. SQL plus / as space sysdba. So we are connected successfully to SQL. Let us clear the screen. CLSCR. Let us try the first example. So now we shall see these examples. Select distinct job from employee where department number is equal to 10. Selecting job clerk, manager and president. Now we shall use union all operator. Set distinct job from employee where department number is equal to 10. Union all. Select distinct job from employee where department number is equal to 20. Press enter. So now you can see department number 10 and 20 jobs are described. Jobs are shown: clerk, manager, president, analyst, clerk and manager. Now we shall go to the next example. Let's clear the screen. Select distinct job from employee department is equal to 10. Union. Select distinct job from employee department number is equal to 20. So here you can see analyst, clerk, manager and president. Now we shall go for minus operator. Select distinct job from employee where department is equal to 10 minus select distinct job from employee where department is equal to 20. So you can see only president. We shall try this example. First department number 20 and second we are giving department number 10. So you can see analyst. Here the first department number 10 and second department number was 20. Now the first department number is equal to 20 and second department number is equal to 10. So it's showing analyst. Next example. Let us clear the screen. Select distinct job from employee where department is 10. Intersect. Select distinct job from employee where department number is equal to 20. So clerk and manager. So these are the two jobs which are same in both the tables, which clerk and manager. Copy. Select distinct job from employee department is 10. Union. Select distinct job from employee where department number is 20. Union. Select distinct job from employee where department number is equal to 30. So you can see analyst, clerk, manager, president and salesman. Let us come to the next example. Copy, clear the screen. Select distinct job from employer department of tax union. Select distinct job from employer where department number in 20, 30. So it is department number 20 and 30 both are included. Analyst, clerk, manager, president and salesman. Now example 2. We shall create a table called student, name varchar to 10 and course varchar to 10. I have already created this table and inserted these records name and course A B C P Q R X Y Z Oracle developer 6i developer 6i Unix name A P X A X P B Q and Y course Unix Oracle developer 6i Oracle. So I already created the table and inserted these records. Now let us try the example. List the students who joined for all the courses. Name student. First we shall see the contents of the table student. Let us clear the screen. Select 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 star from student. So they are showing no rows. I had already created the table. Now we shall need to create the table once again. So I will be covering this example in the next video. Or we can also create the table student right now. So we shall create the table student, copy and paste. Name is already by an existing student. It is showing name is already used by an existing object. So then why it is not showing? We shall need to check the query. Select star from student, no row selected. So we need to input the data. I will be covering this example tomorrow and I shall show you all the examples on this table called student.